Hello kids! Let's learn all about summer season.
Wow, Lily! It's so sunny today!
That's because it's summer, Sammy. Summer is when the sun shines and the brightest and the days are long.
What else happens in summer?
Hello Sammy, hello Lily. I am Sunny the Sun and I can tell you all about summer.
Oh, a talking sun!
Yes, in summer I come out every day to make everything bright and warm. Summer is the hottest and the longest season of the year. Summer starts from March to June. Days are longer and nights are shorter. Fruits in summer: lychee, jackfruit, watermelon, papaya, muskmelon, mango. Vegetables in summer: brinjal, pointed gourd, pumpkin, okra, bottle gourd, cucumber. Summer clothing. These are some summer clothings. Things we use during summer season: AC, fan, air cooler. Things we do in summer: wear sunscreen, drink plenty of water, cover your head with a hat, keep yourself hydrated, stay in shady area, wear light clothing. Summer refreshment: lemonade, iced tea, fruit smoothies, watermelon juice, coconut water, iced coffee, mint mojito, lassi, cold brew green tea, pineapple coconut cooler. Enjoy the summer vacation. Children loves to play in swimming pool. People loves to go beaches. Summer camp. This is all about summer. Bye bye Sammy and Lily. See you next time.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.